So for cylindrical to Cartesian, r theta z want to go to x, y, z, x is r cos theta, where r given is 7. Then theta is pi. Cos pi is -1. So this -7. Y is r sin theta. R is 7. So theta is pi. Sin pi is 0. So this is 0. Okay, z, no, r theta z. Z already here, -9. So B, okay, change to Cartesian will be -7, 0, -9. Okay, and then if you use, okay, z rho cos phi, this provided from spherical coordinate, where you got rho, you got phi. Okay, and then for x, we know x is r cos theta, and r is actually r is rho sin phi. So that's why from spherical to Cartesian, r is actually rho sin phi and then cos theta. But don't use k in coordinate b, because you don't have rho, you don't have phi. Because k, the same triangle that we draw just now, z vertical, okay, phi from origin, then rho, okay, z and rho making an angle phi. Okay, then this one is actually the r, okay, r that from 2D raised up here. So taking sin phi, opposite, which is r, hypotenuse, which is rho. So r is rho sin phi. Plug in r is rho sin phi into the, okay, x equal to r cos theta. So x is rho sin phi cos theta. And then your y is rho y r sin theta, rho sin phi sin theta. Okay. So rho given here is 2 phi. So rho theta phi is, this is 3 pi over 4 theta cos 3 pi over 4. Okay, this one 3 pi over 4, since this is in second quadrant, should be sec 2 over 2. Cos is a third second quadrant, cos is negative, sec 2 over 2. Should be, so -1. Okay, you can check here. If you put 2 sin 3 shift pi divide 4, and then cos 3 pi divide 4, -1. Okay, and then y is actually, rho is 2 sin phi 3 pi over 4 sin theta, theta is 3 pi over 4. So you have 2 sec 2 over 2 sec 2 over 2. So this is +1. Y theta is sin. Delete sin. +1. Okay, so for coordinate A, x is -1, y is +1, z is -sec 2.